to today's video. A few people have asked me to film a skincare routine because apparently my skin looks really good in pictures and in videos. I can guarantee you that my skin doesn't look that great all the time, and especially at the beginning of the year I was under a lot of stress and I wasn't taking care of myself as properly as I should have. So I started trying out different products and I put together a skincare routine that works pretty well, and I've had it for around 4 months. At first I thought that my skincare routine wasn't anything special, but then I started counting all the products that I use and I realized that I use way more products than most of my friends. I'm gonna start with the daily morning skincare routine. I normally start by washing my face with lukewarm water, and then I dry it a little and leave some water on my skin and just let it dry by air. And sometimes I use a water-based cleanser. I'm gonna show you later which one it is. Next I use a toner. Right now I'm using the light toning water from MUJI. There's another toner that I absolutely love. It's from Kiehl's and it's called Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. I like both of them a lot, and I'm using the MUJI one right now because it's cheaper. But since it has alcohol and there's a lot of skincare experts on YouTube that don't seem to be a fan of alcohol in skincare products, I still have to do some research to form an opinion on that. But in the meantime, I'm using this one. I put the toning water on a cotton pad and then I gently put it on my skin. And I also have these from MUJI. They are recycled, if I'm not mistaken, and they are unbleached, so they aren't perfectly white. But of course you can also use a reusable cotton pad. Then I put a generous amount of the moisturizing milk, also from MUJI. It's not specifically a face cream, but it really does work for me, and I've had it for the past 2 years and my skin feels like glowing after I put it on, so I'm gonna keep using it. And if I'm going out, I'm putting on some sunscreen. Mine's from Ultra Sun, the Face Anti-Pigmentation 50+ SPF. Now onto my evening skincare routine. I use this double cleansing method, and that means that I have an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser. My oil cleanser is from MUJI and it gets rid of makeup and sunscreen, and my water-based cleanser is the hydrating cleanser from CERAVE and it gets rid of dirt and sweat. I first use the oil-based cleanser and then the water-based cleanser, and around 2 to 3 times a week I use my cleansing brush from B. Kettner for an even deeper cleaning process. And then again I leave some water on my skin and let it dry, and then I use the same toner and face cream. So that's not all I do for my skin, these were just my daily routines. Here are some other products that I use regularly. Every second day I use the Ordinary Niacinamide. I put 2 drops on my skin and then gently massage it in after the toner and before the face cream. I use it to reduce dark spots, to minimize redness and pore appearance. And the days I don't use niacinamide, I use hyaluronic acid from Nature Republic. It's the one that NCT 127 promotes. I love how it improves my skin elasticity and makes my skin feel so bright and smooth. Then around 1 to 2 times a week I use the Nature Republic face masks, and they are amazing. There are a lot of different ones. My favorites are the cucumber and aloe one, and I can definitely recommend them. Another product from The Ordinary is the salicylic acid 2% mask. I use it around 2 to 3 times a week and it's recommended for acne prone skin. It helps remove dead skin cells and prevents the appearance of acne and leaves your skin refreshed. The next mask is the JEJU Volcanic Pore Clay Mask from Innisfree, and it's a pore clearing solution, and I also use it around 2 times a week. I should probably be using these a little more than the times I use it, but I forget about them, so it helps to minimize pores and regulate sebum production. Now I have a few skincare tips that I've written down on my notes app the past few months, and I want to share them with you. The first one is to change your pillowcase regularly because you sweat during the night, so that all stays on the pillow. What I do is I rotate my pillow in all different directions so I can use it for around a week. Wear sunscreen. I don't have anything else to add than what all the other skincare influencers say. Just do it. Just use sunscreen. Another very important one, research the products and usage before you put them on your skin. It is very important. I experienced this with niacinamide. I used to use it in the morning and the evening, and I started to break out even more than before. So that's when I noticed that something's wrong. And then I found a video online that said that not everyone reacts the same to niacinamide and to other products. Apparently some people can use it daily in the morning and the evening, but my skin didn't take it really well. So now I use it every second day and it works perfectly. Next is I use the leftover product from the sheet mask, because that would be a waste and it's so good for the skin, so just use it. So this is how I keep my skin looking and feeling healthy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments or ask me on my Instagram. And don't forget to check the links in the description box if you want to know more about the products. Thank you for watching, have a great day and see you in my next video. Bye!